Hey you, yep, you. Ever felt like you don't quite fit in at school or like everyone else knows the secret handshake and you missed the memo? Well, guess what? You're not alone. And there are some really simple things you can do to feel more like you do belong. Belonging means feeling accepted, included, and like you actually matter. And the cool thing is, you don't need to change who you are to feel that way. First up, say hey. It sounds small, but saying hi or giving someone a smile can really make a difference. Learn someone's name and use it. People love feeling noticed. Just being friendly can help you and the other person feel more connected. Next, join in. Find something at school that you enjoy, like sports, drama, art, a club, or even just a group that chats at lunchtime. When you take part in things, you meet people who like the same stuff you do, and that helps you feel part of something. You can also offer to help out, maybe with class jobs, group work, or lunchtime duties. When you're trusted to do something, it shows you're valued, and that really boosts your sense of belonging. Another way to feel like you belong is to be a good mate. Help someone out, ask if they're okay, invite them to join your group. Including others is a great way to feel included yourself. Don't forget to be proud of who you are. Your background, your culture, your hobbies, your story, they all make you you. Don't be afraid to share a bit of that. Being different isn't weird, it's what makes things interesting. And taking part in celebrations or special events can help you connect with others too. And hey, if you're still not feeling like you belong, talk to a trusted adult. A teacher, a mentor, someone at school you feel safe with. They want to help. You don't have to figure it all out by yourself, so remember, a smile, a simple hello, joining in, being kind, being yourself, and even just learning someone's name. It all adds up. You do belong here, and the more you believe that, the more others will see it too.